Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video today. I'm gonna be putting a new exhaust on. They're called Borla Attacks. I can show you guys right now. Hold on. So here they are. They're pretty zoomed in. Nope. They're pretty long. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro because it's easier to film outside. I mean, to film the video. I don't even know what I'm talking about, bro. I suck at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I switched back on a GoPro because it's easier to record. But these are the Borla Attacks that you can buy from American Muscle. Yep, you see the name. Oh yeah. I would have to cut the stock exhaust off so it looks like this, connected to those pipes, and these goes out the end of the car. I would have to cut somewhere like around here, the stock ones, to put these on and to take out the stock exhaust. So I would need angle grinder. Comes with 4 clamps. There's another clamp somewhere. And then there's 4 bolts in total that holds it up by the middle of the car. They look like these like flanges type things, whatever they're called. 2 bolts on each side, and then it should come out. Same on that side. I will show under the car in the next clip. Okay, so I'm under the car right now, and this is the exhaust. I have 2, one on that side, there, one on this side. I would have to cut like right here, somewhere over here, one of this in this area, so I can get past the axle or whatever this is called. There's the exhaust made from Ford. You can see. I'll show you a better look once it's out. There's a hanger there, and then there's a hanger right there. So there's 1 hanger, 2 hangers, and 3 hangers right there. So this is the exhaust tip going out. I would have to do the same on the other side. Cut it. Then the 2 bolts are all the way down there. I can't zoom in. I'm using a GoPro. But they're like straight down that way. There's 2 I would have to unhook from there. 2 hangers on this side, cut it, and then pull it out. And that should be it. Alright, so now I'm gonna be cutting the pipes off. As you're gonna see in the next clip, I had to jig this up and bring it from my place. It's gonna be pretty crazy. Kind of scared. Wish me luck. Alright, so I decided I'm gonna cut it right here. I feel like it's a better spot, and it'll be easier for me to cut than anywhere else. So here we go, guys. Wish me luck, everybody. Hold on, this is getting sketchy. I gotta find another place to do this at. This is getting sketchy. I got some of it off. I gotta get a better position. Be right back. Alright, so I changed the cutting locations and I have a Sawzall now. That's way better than what I was using before. Cause I think I get a cleaner cut like this. This is some bull, dude. How the fuck do you cut this shit? Oh, yeah, that was crazy. Wait, right there? The fuck? It's fucking annoying. Ah, fuck, dude. Alright, let's try again. Got a shorter piece. Hopefully that makes a difference. Got a little bit more to go. Like more, less than half. Ah. Damn it, she's not through it. Oh, fuck. I don't know why I gotta pull this shit out. There's literally a little piece left. That's crazy. Oh man, I fucked up. Oh crap, I just cut it without even me recording. Okay, that's messed up. So I cut it off. It looks like it'll definitely come off now. Oh, time to finish it. The little bit I have off, I guess. Got it off. There you go, look at that. Got it off, baby. Did it. Whew. That was fucking sketchy as fuck. Holy shit. Had to clean off, baby. Oh, my exhaust, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, baby. Clean cut, baby. Ooh. Now you gotta take this off and do the other side. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, so my camera's about to die, but holy crap. Look at the difference, dude. Look at the difference. See how thick this is? I fucking got messed up, but see how thick this is? Look at this end, dude. Okay, so here's an update. I took both exhaust pipes. Here's a new one. Took those off, so I'm having a hard time fitting it in that space right there. It has to go over that axle right there. See that little hump? It has to go over that axle. I'm having a hard time putting it through because, as you can see, I have this much space. I don't have a lift, so it's kind of taking a while. But it should have fit a long time ago, but since I'm on a tight ass space, it's pretty hard to get through there, to get it over that thing. I'm still trying. I'm trying to like turn this in an angle towards me to see if it would fit. Hopefully it does, so I can just put it together. Look how simple it is. I just have to put the 4 bolts, tighten that clamp, and those 2 hangers right there, and that's it. So it's taking a little longer than I thought. Alright guys, so got the exhaust in. Everything is clear. Everything is put together. I'm gonna do a sound clip in a few moments. It was pretty hard to get everything in here. See, it goes all the way down to Borla's. Oh yeah, they're in though. I have to tighten a few things, but they're in. It was a bitch getting that hump over. The thing I did was have 2 jack stands. Literally, I only have 2 jack stands. I used the jack to jack up one side of the car and slid it in, and that's how I was able to do it. See, they're both in. I haven't had this clamp in yet, but this one is tightened. This one isn't, so next clip you guys are gonna see is me starting up the car.